dog is a dog.
Fat Cat Books.
A Dog is a Dog by Stephen Shaskan.
A dog is a dog.
Ruff, ruff.
Whether it's naughty
That naughty dog is destroying those white flowers.
or nice.
Oh, the dog is not naughty. It was just picking a nice flower for us.
Whether it's sun's on the beach.
The dog is not at the beach, but it's relaxing in its nice doggy pool and imagining it's at the beach.
Or glides on the ice.
The dog's pool has frozen, but it can now skate on the ice.
A dog is a dog. If it's skinny,
The dog has painted a very skinny dog on a fence post.
or fat.
The dog has blown up a big, fat dog balloon.
A dog is a dog, unless it's a
Cat! Zip.
Wait, what just happened?
It's not a dog. It's a cat inside a dog costume.
A cat is a cat. Whether it hisses
It wants to eat me.
or purrs.
The cat just wanted to play with the mouse. But the mouse doesn't want to play.
Get off me! Leave me alone! Whether it's hairless and cold.
It's a cat.
That is not a cat.
Yes, it is.
Why is it inside out?
Or wrapped up in furs. A cat is a cat. If it didn't,
Where did the fish go? Did the cat take the fish? The cat says it didn't.
oh yes it did. Or did.
The cat lied. The fish is in its mouth.
A cat is a cat, unless it's a
Squid! It's not a cat. It was a squid in a cat costume.
A squid is a squid, whether it's fast.
That squid is fast because it's riding a jet ski.
Or it's slow.
But without a jet ski, the squid is so slow. It can't even beat a snail in a race.
Whether it swims up on top.
The squid is doing the backstroke. That's when you swim on your back.
Or swims down below.
The squid has found something deep down at the bottom of the ocean. It looks like a glass bottle.
A squid is a squid when it's stuck.
How did the squid get stuck inside that glass bottle?
Or set loose.
Oh, the squid wasn't stuck. It was just pretending. Squids have very squishy bodies. They can squeeze through tiny holes. Make learning to read fun and easy. Go to fatcatbooks.uk.
A squid is a squid, unless it's a
Moose! It's not a squid. It's a moose in a squid costume.
A moose is a moose, whether it's large or it's small. Whether it runs in the spring or rests in the fall.
Fall is another name for autumn. That's when it starts getting too cold for the trees. So all the trees shed their leaves. Leaves make food for the tree, but only when it's sunny. So trees only need leaves when it's sunny. That's why the moose is covered in leaves.
A moose is a moose in the clear or the fog.
One moose needs a hat with a torch on it because it's very foggy, so he can't see much in front of him.
A moose is a moose, unless it's a
dog! It's not a moose, it's not a squid, and it's not a cat. It was a dog all along, but in different costumes. I really like that story. Let's read it one more time.
Let's read it together.
A dog is a dog. A dog is a dog. Whether it's naughty or nice. Whether it suns on the beach or glides on the ice. A dog is a dog if it's skinny or fat. A dog is a dog unless it's a cat. A cat is a cat whether it hisses or purrs. Whether it's hairless and cold or wrapped up in furs. A cat is a cat if it didn't or did. A cat is a cat unless it's a squid. A squid is a squid whether it's fast or it's slow. Whether it swims up on top or swims down below. A squid is a squid when it's stuck or set loose. A squid is a squid unless it's a moose. A moose is a moose whether it's large or it's small. Whether it runs in the spring or rests in the fall. A moose is a moose in the clear or the fog. A moose is a moose unless it's a dog. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you still need practice, you can download some free flashcards. Also, you can get an extended flashcard pack. Just visit fatcatbooks.uk or check the link in the description. I have many other phonics materials, such as my audio flashcard pack, which comes with a virtual teacher, which allows your child to discover the words with a press of a finger. I also have an awesome colouring poster pack, which is great for decorating the room. These and much more are available in my phonics programs. Just go to fatcatbooks.uk to learn more or check the link in the description. Make sure your child is reading and spelling accurately with the Fat Cat Phonics program. Make learning phonics easy and fun with the virtual teacher, which allows your child to learn along with me. Ant. Complete various exercises. Ant. And read unique stories written by myself. Ant and Fat Cat. An ant is in ink. They're designed to be easily read in the early stages of their reading and will build up your child's confidence. Also, make the end of the lesson revision fun with one of the phonics games. Ant. Download some free lessons now at fatcatbooks.uk.
Please like, share and subscribe to Fat Cat Books channel. See you later.